Let's subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for upcoming tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial from FX Graphix. Today I'm going to show beginners first class for Adobe Animate. Get started with Adobe Animate CC. See how you can use Animate to create a variety of animated content, such as animated cartoons, advertisements, games, and other interactive content to publish on platforms such as HTML5 Canvas, Flash Player and Air, WebGL, or custom platforms such as Snap SVG. Adobe Animate is a powerful tool for creating vector graphics. It's also a great place to start learning 2D digital animation. Building on the legacy of Flash, Adobe Animate has positioned itself as an important player in the animation industry. Despite its name, Animate can do so much more than just animate vector graphics. Advanced user could even work to create game assets or design their own video games. So why use Adobe Animate? We can do frame animation, web animation, web banners, design vector graphics, and animation, web applications, flash games, action script scriptings, and much more. Adobe Animate is timeline-based animation. There are keyframes. A keyframe's a frame where a new symbol instance appears in the timeline. You can set a position, add anchor points, actions, comments, and so on. Frames. Frame's a frame where repeat the content of the last keyframe. And another one. Blank keyframes. It's empty keyframes with no content. Adobe Animate have 4 types of animation. 1 frame-by-frame animation. This technique is useful for complex animation where the graphic elements of each frame must be different. 2 motion tweens. Use motion tweens to set properties for an object, such as position and alpha transparency in one frame and again in another frame. 3 classic tweens. Classic tweens are like motion tweens, but are more complex to create. Classic tweens allow for some specific animated effects not possible with span-based tweens. 4 and last shape tweens. You draw a shape at one specific frame in the timeline, and change that shape or draw another shape at another specific frame. Animate then interpolates the intermediate shape for the frames in between, creating the animation of one shape morphing into another shape. Now let's start. First have to select ActionScript 3.0. This is your timeline. And here the tools. Here are the main tools and their uses. Selection tool, V. Selecting whole objects and moving them. Subselection tool, selecting partial objects. Free transform, scale, rotate, and skew an object. Lasso tool, selecting irregular shaped pieces of an object. Pen tool, drawing non-straight and curved lines. Text tool, T, inputting a text box onto the stage. Line tool, drawing straight lines. Shape tool, by default draws rectangles. Drag plus holding shift equals squares. Oval tool, drawing oval and circle shapes. Drag plus holding shift equals circles. Polystar tool. To draw polygon or star shape with changing option in properties bar. Pencil tool, free drawing thin lines. Brush tool, free drawing brush shapes. Fill transform, distort the gradient fill of an object. Fill tool, change the color of a fill. Stroke tool, change the color and size of a stroke. Eyedropper, sample a color from the stage. Eraser, use a brush to erase parts of an object. Width tool is used for changing the size of the object's stroke. Hand tool, used to drag the stage around to see not visible parts of it. Zoom in or out. Thanks for watching this tutorial. In next part we going to do make frame animation. If you like this tutorial, please click on thumbs up. Share this video. And subscribe for more tutorials. Any suggestion? Please comment it on comment section.